Hello and good day to you. You're once again welcome to MES on Constructions, where we discuss all things engineering, architecture, and 3D modeling. Today, we'll be learning in AutoCAD how to insert or create your text to label the rooms in your 2D architectural drawing. But before further ado, we encourage you to subscribe to our channel and turn on your notification bell if you find our videos informative and useful and desire to encourage us to keep giving you more contents like this. Thanks. Now, let's get right into the video tutorial for today. Creating a text on your 2D architectural plan in AutoCAD is as important as drawing the plan itself. You need text to illustrate details in certain parts of your drawing for others to easily comprehend your conceptual design. Now, in order to create text in AutoCAD, go to the top panel, click on Annotate. In the Annotate top panel, drop down Manage Text Styles as shown. Select Manage Textiles. In the settings, select New. You can rename it as you like. I renamed mine Room 3. Press OK. You may leave the text height as default to change to your preference. You may also change the font type as shown. Apply settings and close the panel. Now you can add the new text to your 2D plan. Ensure it's selected at the top as I have it as Room 3. Click on your multiline text, choose multiline text and return to your 2D plan to insert the text box as shown. This part of the drawing is the master's bedroom. You may further choose to adjust the settings of your text on the top panel. Since I'm not adjusting the settings of my text any further, I can go on to type master's bedroom right away. Now, in case you don't want the text to be compact but spread out, you can stretch the length of the text box as shown. Then you can drag it back to the center. You can also do that more precisely by typing a desired value in the command panel. To create the text for other rooms on the 2D plan, you can simply select and copy the master's bedroom text and paste at the destination as shown. This seems like a much easier approach. However, you may need to edit and align the text as shown. Now, we may go on to repeat the same procedure to insert every other text we want in our 2D architectural drawing. Personally, I prefer to copy existing text and move them to my destination in alignment with existing text as shown. However, you may take liberty to develop a method that best suits you, as there is no general rule in stuff like this. We can go on to keep duplicating our texts and aligning them to the rooms we intend to insert them. Aligning the text for each room relative to the existing rooms makes the drawing to be neater and easier to comprehend. Nevertheless, it is important to always remember to rename your text relative to the name of the room, as with this method. Such omissions are likely to occur after you've pasted multiple copied text on the rooms you intend to label. Sometimes, in aligning your text, you may need to leverage existing points closest to your destination and then move the text to a preferred location using the initial point as a reference for the distance required to get to the desired location or point. It is always important to rename your copied text before your final attempts to align it to save time. Now, for the balcony, we can simply copy the kitchen text. However, the length of the text exceeds the length of the space, hence we can leverage the longer span of the balcony by rotating the text to fit into the space, and this can be done before or after typing the name of the room, balcony. Then we can proceed to center it or align it as we see fit. It may be necessary to increase the transparency of the hatch to give our text more visibility in our drawing. We can go to our layouts to view the text on our paper space to see if there are any changes that are needed to be made. And as you can see, our balcony text is clear on our 2D drawing, and this means that we can go on to plot it and it will look just the same. This brings us to the end of our lesson for today, and we hope you were able to learn a thing or two. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more contents on how to use AutoCAD for architectural design, and turn on your notification bell to be the first to see our latest tutorial videos on how to use AutoCAD. Thanks for watching, and bye for now.